Before we start, hit that subscribe button so you never miss quick tech guides like this one. Today I'll show you how to join a Microsoft Teams meeting using a meeting ID and password in just a few simple steps. First, open the Microsoft Teams app on your phone or computer and make sure you're logged into your account. If not, sign in with your Microsoft credentials. On the Teams home screen, look for the option that says Join with the meeting ID. This is where you will enter the details provided by your meeting host. Make sure you have both the meeting ID and password ready. These are usually sent in an email or chat before the meeting. Enter the meeting ID carefully. Check for typos. Then type in the password exactly as given. Once both are entered, click Join Meeting. If the meeting is live, you will be taken to a preview screen. Here, you can adjust your camera and microphone settings before clicking Join Now. That's it. You're in the meeting. Quick, easy, and ready to collaborate. If this guide helped you, give it a like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more simple tech tips.